Bartender Cookout is back again on August 16, 2025. If you don't remember the last cookout, I know you not gonna miss this. So, lock the date and don't be late. Make sure you secure the orders from now.
Something going on with you? What I need for now?
You just need it to be a baby father. Just give me a shoulder for me. Like, for all time's sake. Can you do that?
Can do that. Just tell me one thing and leave it alone. Only find me.
You're not gonna get upset.
No. Yeah.
So, Marcus Wallace, remember me?
Mm-hmm.
He told me where you had lunch, like, or where you have lunch. And I swung by, and I saw you there with Miss Skinny, same thing that I saw last night. But that's a different conversation. We're doing well.
Okay. So are you me did see? And you know, you have me I wonder if me did I see doubles.
No, babe, you don't need therapy.
So what about the house? Because you know me living.
Well, that part was me being the stalker girlfriend that I am. I mean, I've been with you for so long. I know how to find you. Something wrong?
No. Everything good now. You know that I know? Feel more comfortable. This is the car I know. So I can safely see her back, right?
I'm back, babe. I missed you.
I missed you too. You have to have me there?
Yes.
Everything. You're smart, you're big.
Oh my god, look at my family. Finally have my family back.
Alright. Them time they are too big, me have family. You want a fun test?
Now that that's on there,
Well, them are gonna have friends and all that.
just say you want up my picnic. Does it feel?
Okay.
Go buy, start by bleaching cream.
What?
You say I'm going up my picnic. Come with me. You have a picnic, I go for Women's Day out and all type of stuff. You and you. I have some conversation to pick with you, but it's fine.
Eti, what you say? That you're back on the grid? May I come link you?